What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to take this $40 action camera and turn it into a full IR camera. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to modify this action cam. Going to show you how to turn this into the IR camera. I got this tip from a good guy by the name of Patrick from The Haunted Side. If you haven't seen his videos, check him out. Great guy. So first thing you want to do is on the front here you have a little plate. So you want to go ahead and pry that plate away. Crap, that hurt. Just pries away like that. You can use your fingernails or a screwdriver. Just be careful not to break anything. There we go. Alright, so the plate comes off like that. And as you can see, I haven't used it yet, so I still have the plastic on there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Alright, so now you want to remove this lens here. And in order to remove the lens, you're going to need some type of pliers to do so. So you're just going to grab it with the pliers and put that down real quick so I can adjust the pliers. There we go. Alright, so you're just going to grab it with the pliers. Grab the lens here. You're going to give it a little twist. And it's going to pop free. Once it pops free, just go ahead and unscrew it out. The lens comes out like that. So as you can see, this right here, the red that you see there, that's the IR filter that's on this lens. So you're going to need a little screwdriver or something to pop that piece of glass out. You have to pry around and pop it out. Be careful not to damage the lens in any type of way when you're removing that. So give me a second, I'm going to grab my screwdriver and move it out. You can just use like a little screwdriver or whatever just to pop it out. So give me a second, I'm gonna use my screwdriver to pull this piece out. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the lens out. I just used, like I said, a little screwdriver, flathead screwdriver to pick it out. It came out in pieces, so just want to make sure you get all the pieces out. As you can see, the lens no longer has the IR filter on it. The red tinge is gone. So the next thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and fit it back inside of the camera. After you fit it back inside the camera, you are going to have to go and refocus the camera to get it back in focus. So you can either manually do it, or you can record a couple of seconds of a video, put it into your computer, and see how clear the footage is. So as you can see, I'm walking around in my place right now using the IR light. If I turn the light off, it is completely black. Turn it back on, and we got the IR. So that's how you'll take this $40 action camera and turn it into a full IR camera. The one thing I will say I don't like about this camera is the battery life. The battery only lasts for about 30 minutes. So what I did to combat that was I bought an external charger as well that I run via USB to the camera. Took it out to an event and I ran it for about 2.5 hours with no issues. So if you like my setup that I have right here and you want to build one of your own, I will link all the items down in the description below. And also keep checking back for more videos that I'm going to be posting in the future. Thanks for hanging out. Y'all have a good one.